This thing is a monster. This is the best backpack blower on the market right now. That tube right there, that 3.6-inch tube for leaf cleanups is awesome. If you guys get this blower, you won't be disappointed in spending that money on this blower. Just finished up here, started at our shortest point. All you do is follow that line in stripes of light and dark. Started out with our verts, ended up doing or finishing off with our diagonals to get our diamond pattern. And if you want to, check out bigleaflawns.com and get yourself a checkmate. Alright, you can have your lawn looking just like this. Cutting down that time, all right? So that's what landscapers love. We love cutting down time, producing good quality work, but at a fraction of our time. That allows us to get more yards done, get them done good and efficiently, and make more money. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here working on a yard out here with the 2001 Dodge Ram pickup truck and the landscape equipment. Came across a quick tip in my mind that I could share with you guys real quick before I make a blade change video for you guys. A very important thing that you guys should do when you're changing your blades is think about the after effects after you change your blades. So first off, let me go back real quick. When you put new blades on, you want those blades to be sharp. So you do some work sharpening those blades, and then you want those blades to perform very well and do their job and help you out with cutting yards, whether there be mulching blades, high lift blades, standard blades, whatever. You want them to do their job, and what their purpose is to cut grass, and you don't want those blades leaving a lot of stragglers. So the point I'm trying to get to is what I do in all of my yards that I work on, and that is to pick up all the sticks first. The reason why you want to pick up all the sticks and trash first is because when you're putting those new blades on, or the blades you already currently have on, is if you got a bunch of sticks laying in the yard and you go and mowing across all that, and you go mow across all that, all the sticks, all the trash, you're dulling your blades out that much faster. So going across and mulch and sticks, a bunch of sticks, not picking all that stuff up first like you see I just did here in this yard. So this yard is ready to be cut now because it's free of all sticks and trash. Now the new blades that I'm about to put on, these mulching blades, are going to be able to do their job a lot much better. They're going to be able to mulch all this grass up and these few little leaves that are in the grass right now. These blades are going to do exactly what I need them to do. It's making it harder for the mower and the blades to do their job if you leave all the sticks in the yard, whether it be mulching blades, standard lift blades, or high lift blades, whatever you got on your mower, whatever you're using for your different yard applications and how you're cutting your yard. But I just wanted to share that tip with you guys. Make sure you're picking up all the sticks and trash in the yard first before you cut, so that all the work you did sharpening your blades and putting new blades on, they're able to do their job a lot easier, and the yard looks a lot better because the blades are doing their job a lot better. So I just wanted to share that tip with you guys. Make sure you're doing that stuff before you change your blades, or before you go out and mow with a new set of blades on your mower, so that those sharper blades can last longer. And that's another tip, the blades will last longer if you're not cutting over a bunch of rocks and sticks. So that's how you're able to make your blades last longer when you change them out. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you click on to the next video on how quickly I show, or how I show how quickly I'm able to change my blades from my standard lift blades on this mower currently right now to some mulch blades before we get this yard going here.